Hi cutie, Grace here. Today we are going to draw a penguin, so let's get started. First, we are going to draw its head. And then its body. And then for the right too, the same. The head and the body. And now we will draw like this. A curve. And another curve. And then at the belly. And draw the left wing and the right wing. And now we will draw its beak. And then draw the eyes. A circle, slowly. And then the right side too, a circle, slowly. And for the inside, we will add the eyebrows, a small circle, and now we have a cute penguin. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.